probably in 2025, we at Meta, as well as the other companies that are basically working on this, are going to have an AI that can effectively be a sort of mid-level engineer that you have at your company that can write code. And once you have that, then in the beginning it'll be really expensive to run, then you can get it to be more efficient, and then over time we'll get to the point where a lot of the code in our apps and including the AI that we generate is actually going to be built by AI engineers instead of people engineers.
Hi friends! With all the buzz about AI replacing jobs, it's hard not to think about its impact. Big names like Mark Zuckerberg and other tech leaders predict a shift where there might be fewer engineers and more roles focused on managing AI. So, will AI truly replace our jobs? Is this something we should be worried about? Before diving into AI's impact on jobs, let's first understand the role AI plays in today's world. AI isn't just a futuristic concept, it's already shaping industries, automating processes, and influencing how businesses operate. So, let's break down what AI really is, how it works, and what potential it holds. To truly understand AI's impact, let's first explore the jobs that are most at risk. You may be surprised at how many roles are already changing.
I hope my job doesn't fall into this category.
Don't worry, let's take a closer look. Now, let's talk about the types of jobs that might be impacted by AI. First up, repetitive tasks. These are jobs involving the same actions over and over, like data entry, preparing presentations, making reports, and even generating thumbnails and videos.
Wait, thumbnails and videos too?
Yes. Since these tasks follow a set pattern and don't require much creativity, AI can easily take over. Next, jobs involving routine customer service tasks can also be impacted. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are increasingly capable of handling inquiries and providing support without human intervention. Another area is simple administrative tasks, like scheduling appointments or managing emails. AI tools can automate these processes. Finally, roles that involve data analysis and basic reporting might also be at risk, as AI can analyze large data sets and generate insights quickly. Even creative fields such as writing, music, and video production are seeing AI's influence. AI-generated content is improving rapidly, raising concerns about whether AI can replace designers, scriptwriters, and even voice actors.
But how exactly is AI able to take over these jobs?
To answer that, we need to dive into how AI functions behind the scenes. AI works by processing vast amounts of data and recognizing patterns to make predictions or automate tasks. It relies on machine learning algorithms, which improve over time as they analyze more data. Large-scale AI models, like ChatGPT, are trained using deep learning techniques that mimic human cognitive processes, enabling them to understand language, generate content, and even reason through complex problems. AI's efficiency comes from its ability to process information faster than humans and execute tasks with high accuracy. This is why AI is now capable of taking over many repetitive and analytical jobs.
So, has AI always been this smart?
They hasn't always been this advanced. In fact, it started with basic rule-based systems.
Then how did we go from simple bots to AI that can think and reason?
We've seen how AI works, but let's take a look at how AI has evolved over time. In the past, AI-powered chatbots were basic question and answer systems. These bots could only respond to predefined questions with pre-programmed answers. For example, customer service bots on websites could handle simple queries but lacked true understanding. They followed a rigid script, meaning they couldn't adapt to new or unexpected questions. Then came advanced AI models like ChatGPT. Unlike earlier chatbots, ChatGPT doesn't just retrieve pre-written answers. It thinks, reasons, and adapts in real time.
AI seems powerful, but does it have any weaknesses?
Absolutely. AI has significant limitations that prevent it from fully replacing human intelligence. Lack of true understanding. AI processes information based on patterns, but it doesn't have real-world context, emotions, or intent. Dependence on data. If AI lacks sufficient training data, it struggles to generate meaningful insights. Limited creativity. AI can generate content but lacks true originality and the ability to innovate beyond existing patterns. Struggles with complex problem solving. AI is great at pattern recognition, but often fails in situations requiring deep reasoning, strategic thinking, or ethical considerations. Lack of accountability. If an AI system makes a mistake, who is responsible? AI cannot self-correct complex systems without human oversight.
We've talked a lot about AI's impact, but should I be worried?
Let's clear up the fear around AI taking over jobs. Rather than fearing AI, think of it like the internet revolution. When the internet became mainstream, many feared it would replace traditional businesses. Instead, it created new opportunities, from digital marketing to e-commerce. AI is following the same path. It's a transformative tool, not a job killer. If you're a content creator, a data analyst, or even working in IT, AI is not here to replace you completely. It's here to change the way we work. For example, YouTube doesn't promote AI-generated content as much as human-created content. Why? Because AI lacks originality, emotions, and a personal touch. Qualities that make human-created content more engaging. The key to future-proofing your career is adapting and leveraging AI as a tool rather than competing with it. Mindset shift. Instead of competing with AI, learn to work with AI. Master the basics first. AI can assist, but you need fundamental knowledge to make the best use of it. Stay adaptable. Industries evolve. Keep learning new skills to stay relevant. Think beyond tasks. Understand business impact. AI is a tool, but humans provide critical thinking and strategy.
So, is AI here to take all our jobs?
The truth is, AI is reshaping industries, but it's also creating new opportunities. Technological advancements have always led to job shifts. The printing press replaced scribes, cars replaced horse-drawn carriages, and computers replaced typewriters. Yet, each of these advancements created more jobs in the long run. The same will be true for AI. As work becomes more efficient, businesses grow, economies expand, and new jobs emerge, especially for those who understand AI and how to manage it. If you stay updated, skilled, and adaptable, you'll be in demand not just today, but in the future as well. The key is to embrace AI, not fear it. So, what do you think about AI? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, subscribe to my channel and stay updated on the latest AI trends.